students, I am here again with a new topic of C++ language. As you know that this is my text editor and I'm going to write on here. Today our topic of learning is constant qualifier in C++. Okay. I have told you earlier that we use variables to store the values we are going to use in our program, but sometimes we need some value that during the program execution that remains the constant. This is sometime we have such requirement that we do not we must retain the value of the variable. For that purpose, constant qualifier can be used. As constant define the term this const is used for the constant qualifier, and this defines a variable whose value cannot be changed throughout the program. When the const qualifier is used with the variable, it is no longer remains a variable because its value will not be changed. A variable defined with the const qualifier must be assigned some value. Okay. For example, its proper syntax is const space data type. As I already have told you about different data types used in C++, then variable equal to constant value, whatever you want to give the constant value with the variable. Okay, like for example, const int int age. If we want to make the age a constant value, we can use like this, or we can use const float, like the value of pi that is equal to 3.14, or we can use const like we want to make float width of any variable constant. We can use like this. Okay, now what is the purpose of constant qualifier? That it will make the variable it will assign a variable a constant value, and the value of the variable will remain the constant throughout the program. It will not change. Okay, it will oppose the definition of variable, that is whose value can be changed during the execution of the program. Now I'm going to tell you that how variable can be declared and initialized during. There are two terms, that variable initialization and variable declaration. There are two terms. Okay, now we'll see that what are these terms. Variable declaration and initialization. Okay, when we start our program, we can do two things with the variable, that we declare the variable. And how we can declare the variable? By assigning the data type, then name of the variable. This is called variable declaration. Okay, in C++, all the variables that are going to be used in program must be declared before use. If you are going to use any variable that is not declared, your C++ compiler will give an error message to you. Declaring a variable means that specifying the data type of the variable, like I did it here. As if I write int a, now this is a type, this is a data type of integer that resides that will reserve 4 bytes in your memory, and the name of the variable is a. Okay, actually when we declare a variable, it means that we are going to specify the data type of the variable, and it allows the compiler to decide how many bytes should be set aside in memory for storage of the value that is going to be assigned to the variable in the program. For integer variable, normal integer variable, it resides 4 bytes in a computer memory. We can declare variables in different ways, like int a comma b comma c. Suppose I'm going to use three variables in a program, I can use these variables. I can declare these variables in a single line separating by the commas, or we can use float a comma b comma c. Okay. We can also use character type data, character ch. Okay. And if you are going to use more variables of same data type, you can separate them using the commas. These variables are declared here. I have given the example of a, b, c. These are variable, and ch is a variable. These are declared as a type of int, float, or character type data. But what is variable initialization? Variable initialization is actually initialization is actually when we give a variable a value, a starting value. Okay, variable may be initialized at the beginning of the program when it is declared. Initializing a variable means assigning it an initial value. Okay, like if I am going to declare my variable like int a, and here if I am giving a value to this variable, now this is called variable initialization. Okay, if I give a initial value to the variable at the starting point, at the beginning of the program, or at any location, I am giving the first value to the variable, that is called variable initialization. In the first declaration statement, the variable a is initialized to integer is initialized. Okay, and having the value 5. Okay, there are two terms: variable declaration. In declaration, we just declare a variable by using data type of the variable and the name of the variable that we are going to use in our program. And in initialization, we give the initial value to the variable. This is the difference between variable declaration and variable initialization. You can practice this program by taking the variables